What up, you guys? It's your boy Red here, Drip Overload 413, and we're on the way to the mall to shoot some content. Like I told you guys last night, I'm going to be putting a lot of stuff out on YouTube, a couple different segments and whatnot having to do with clothes and sneakers. This one's called Ballin on a Budget. We're going to see what we can find for an outfit for $100 or less. An outfit being a pair of kicks, a shirt, and some jeans. So that's what we're on the way to go do now. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and let me know what your favorite part of the videos are. That way we can keep making content that you guys like. So we're on the way to Burlington Coat Factory. That's where we're going to shop today. Let's see what we can find. All right, you guys, we're at Burlington. We're going through the parking lot. I'm glad they got the roof because it's been raining all day. We want to get the J's all dirty. I didn't even realize it was raining. I wouldn't have wore white sneakers. But let's go ball on a budget. Let's see what we can find. What do you guys think of this jacket? I actually grabbed a half black and half white one. And then I came back then like a couple days later and saw this. I love Calvin Klein. I like this red one too. Little Guess action. Guess it's still dope, right guys? $20 t-shirt. I think we might have found our shirt. Here goes another good one. Maybe I should give you guys two options to pick from. Look at these, huh? Almost right on cue. How much are these? $35. It smells like absolute shit in this store. Oh my God. Check these out, like some weird version of the Iverson. All right, I think we got two pairs of sneakers. Let's go find some jeans real quick. Some Calvin Kleins. What else we got here? Every once in a while I find some Truies here. All right, so I got two outfits. I'm gonna let you guys pick. We got the Guess outfit. Shirt's 20. Jeans are 20. I think the kicks are 35, right? So we're definitely under 100 there. The navy blue Pumas, 40, 20, 15. There you go, guys. Two outfits, balling on a budget. Let me know which one's the better outfit. What do you guys think of this Caterpillar shirt? Pretty dope. Burlington really is a good spot. A lot of people sleep on Burlington. Look at. I happen to love Michael Kors stuff. I have a ton of Michael Kors shirts. It's crazy to me what I find here sometimes. Let me know in the comments, guys. You guys shop at like the Burlington, Marshalls, TJ Maxx? I mess with Burlington so much because they do big and tall. I'm a pretty husky dude. Marshalls and TJ's don't. This is pretty cool. Simpsons hoodie. They only got huge sizes though.
Come here. Yes.